You are watching BitBNS News.
Today's headlines: Hong Kong company 1degree to offer insurance for cryptocurrencies. Terra to burn $4.5 billion worth of Luna from community pool. Metaverse is the next big investment theme, according to Morgan Stanley. Introducing Random Edge, the first fair on-chain NFT auction platform. Apple CEO Tim Cook invests in crypto, denies Apple is buying Bitcoin. Elon Musk has sold $6.9 billion worth of Tesla stocks this week. Is there a Bitcoin connection? Russian nationalists prepare bill to regulate cryptocurrency mining. Crypto market cap lost $100 billion in a day as Bitcoin dropped to a weekly low. 1degree, a virtual insurer provider in Hong Kong, will provide insurance services for digital assets as a part of partnership with a local cryptocurrency exchange. By working together, the two firms hope to alleviate concerns discouraging potential investors from entering the crypto market. Hong Kong has several licensed providers of virtual insurance services, and one of them, 1degree, will now offer up to $100 million in coverage to HBTEX, a crypto trading platform in global financial hub. The two companies have teamed up to protect clients' cryptocurrency entrusted to the exchange against risks such as theft and hacking. Terra, an algorithmic stablecoin project, will burn $4.5 billion worth of Terra Luna, its native token, from its community pool. The decision was taken using on-chain governance system, and according to the proposals 133 and 144, the Luna will be burned and swapped for the native stablecoin of the chain, UST. This burn is expected to raise the price of Luna, at least in long term. Investment bank Morgan Stanley has stated the metaverse is now the next big investment theme in a note directed to investors on Thursday. Strategists from the bank believe this alternate conception of reality is amassing important interest from companies like Meta, formerly Facebook, and Microsoft, which already are trying to grasp the concept. Some of these companies are already capitalizing on it. The metaverse is a concept that includes the construction of an alternate universe where individuals can model their image to whatever they want to be and perform real-life tasks such as buying things, gaming with friends, and other activities. Random Edge is a transparent, verifiably random, and ultimately fair NFT auction platform that offers a shot at glory for those that participate. Time and time again, there have been stories of individuals making life-changing wealth with NFTs. These kinds of stories have often drive people to mint as many as possible NFTs during an auction/mint, hoping to strike the gold when the images are revealed. Unfortunately, the playing field is often skewed in the favor of insiders, influencers, savvy coders, and others in the know. Random Edge eliminates these insufficiencies and provides user with a level playing field by being upfront about the way in which auctions work and promising only one thing: that one lucky participant will receive the majority of funds collected from the minting event. The chief executive officer of one of the world's most profitable and recognizable tech companies has revealed that he holds crypto assets. During an interview with Andrew Ross Crockin at the New York Times Dealbook Online Summit, Apple CEO Tim Cook claimed that he holds crypto assets as a part of his investment portfolio. The comment came in the response to Sorkin questioning the CEO as whether he owns any Bitcoin or Ethereum or if he would play around in crypto. As reported by the Daily Hold, Cook replied, "I do, yeah. I think it's reasonable to own it as a part of a diversified portfolio." Elon Musk, the billionaire CEO of the most successful EV company Tesla, has sold another 1.2 million in Tesla stocks worth $1.2 billion. Musk has offloaded a total of $6.9 billion worth of his company stocks over the past week, making it the largest ever stock disposal by the CEO of any company. It all started with Musk pledging to sell 10% of his Tesla stocks to prove a point against unrealized gains and tax avoidance. He also conducted a Twitter poll along with its asking whether he should unload a 10% of his company's stocks, where 57.9% of the people voted in the favor of this idea. Musk's take on unrealized gain and tax avoidance comes as he becomes the richest man on earth and also the first to have over $300 billion net worth. Lawmakers from the Liberal Democratic Party of Russia are gearing up to introduce a draft law designed to regulate crypto mining. The nationalists say the legislation will benefit both Russian citizens and the state, as well as those who want to get involved in the business legally. The popularity of cryptocurrencies rising with their market value has drawn the attention of the nationalist faction in the State Duma, the lower house of Russian parliament. The cryptocurrency market capitalization is down by $100 billion in a day as Bitcoin slumped to its weekly low. The bears continued to push Bitcoin south in the past 24 hours and the asset dropped to a weekly low of just over $62,000. Most altcoins are also in the red, with Litecoin losing the most value in a day. Just a few days ago, the primary cryptocurrency broke its previous ATH 2 times in a row, and the latest peak came at $69,000. As the community was anticipating another run up to $70,000, the entire landscape changed. Instead of going upwards, Bitcoin headed straight south. In just a matter of hours, BTC lost more than $6,000 of value to an intraday bottom of $63,000.